day student in the risk biology. Now today we are going to the part number 19 of the biological classification. Okay, just stay connected with me. Now start our topic. Today is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest organism in living things. Okay, its smallest cell is known as the mycoplasma. That's clear. Good. Now next, what says that the smallest independently replicating structures. What do you mean? The independently means that this cell is the independently perform its copies, never require any material, never require any organism. Okay. Now known is the replicating prokaryote, independently replicating prokaryote, discovered by Parcher, the scientist Parcher, when he studies the causative agent of the bovine pneumonia. Bovine, what is the bovine pneumonia? That's a pulmonary disease of the cattle. Bovine pneumonia is the pulmonary disease of the cattle which appears in Germany and Switzerland in 1713. When Parcher studied of the bovine pneumonia, then during this time discovered this mycoplasma. How? Let's see. Disease was caused by the some microbes, but he could neither observe it and nor could culture it. Means that the Parcher says that this disease, bovine pneumonia, that caused by the smallest microbes, but not to observe in under the microbes, and not could be cultured. Say, the causal agent was known as the pneumonia-like organism, and the initial day the mycoplasma known as the PPLO, pneumonia-like organism. Clear? Next, this causal agent was first isolated and cultured by Enochard and E.R. Rocks in 1898. Finally, mycoplasma or discovered by Peicher and the causal agent discovered by the Enochard and E.R. Rocks in the 1898. Clear? Sorry. Next, the generic name mycoplasma is given by, okay, causing agent name given by scientist Novak is the generic name as mycoplasma in 1929. Due to this, why this name is given? Because of that, due to this, the mycoplasma or the PPLO of the that's a causative agent shows the fungi-like characteristics. Clear? Next, habitat of the mycoplasma. Habitat of the mycoplasma. See, parasitic as well as the saprophytic. What do you mean by parasitic? Parasitic means that the survive as a pathogenic conditions. Okay, and produce the many types of disease in plant as well as in animals. And saprophytic means that they depend on the nutrition on dead, decay, and, and or this mycoplasma nutrition on dead decay material etc. like that leaves. Okay. Second thing, found to be associated with the soil, plants, animals, insect, humus, okay, humus like that, hot water spring, and other high temperature environment. That's this mycoplasma are found in this types of the habitat. Found in the phloem tissue is a diseased plant. When any plant are infected through the mycoplasma, then in its phloem tissue, phloem tissue have a one type of disease causing agent known as the mycoplasma. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड, समझ में आ रहा है ना? वरना बार बार रिवाइज करके चले तो प्रॉपर समझना है ना। बहुत अच्छी एकदम सटीक बातें इसमें अपन ने की है, नॉट टू आवर रोल, ठीक है ना। बात फालतू की बात कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर, प्लीज। नाउ नेक्स्ट, mycoplasma orally and mycoplasma salivariums are found almost in every healthy adult. मीन्स दोनों ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रेजेंस होते हैं एवरी हेल्थी एडल्ट के अंदर, दैट्स कॉजिंग इट्स इंक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी। लेट्स सी next, Mycoplasma hominis is present in the large proportion in the sexually active adult. Now, okay, sexually active adult have a posage of this bacteria Mycoplasma hominis. Clear? Next, general characteristics or general character of the Mycoplasma. Let's see. Unicellular structure, smallest, non-motile means that haven't any locomotory organs. Prokaryotic organism, we already know about that. Pleomorphic, very 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 important. Pleomorphic means that change its shape and size, means that able to change and their shape depending upon the culture of the media. Clear? Rod-like, ring-like, globoid-like, and filamentous-like shape are present in the mycoplasma. Next, the ultra-filtrable means that they can pass through the bacteria-proof filter. Okay, when we use the filter of the, or when we use the filtration of the bacteria, means that bacterial filtration are never pass out through this filter, but mycoplasma is filtered through this bacterial filter. So we can say that the bacteria proof filter. Clear? Next, soft triple layered. Soft triple layer means a lipoproteinous membrane, means that uh, we have to draw diagram like that. Suppose that's like, see, that's a structure, that's a structure of a plasma membrane, but it say the sentence is as a triple layer, triple layer of the membrane, like that. First layer is the first layer proteinous, second layer proteinous, proteinous, and in between is the lipid layer to 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Ribosomes are 70S type, but more scientists and other scientists, many scientists show that this ribosomes are as a calculated at the 72S. Many scientists say that the ribosomes are 72 types of. Okay, so that's we have informed about that. Okay, grow more slowly than bacteria. Okay, they require sterol for their nutrition. Means that the nutrition gained through the sterol, resistant to the antibiotic, resistance so to antibiotic like that penicillin, cephalosporin, vancomycin. When this antibiotic, if we give to any person that are suffering from any mycoplasmal disease, that can this antibiotic are resist are the effect on this mycoplasma. Okay, now next sensitive to tetracycline. Next, killed by temperature of the 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. When when we maintain temperature 40 to 45 degrees centigrade, then during 15 मिनट 15 मिनट तक उसको रखा जाए, that to be kill the mycoplasma. Do not produce spore, very 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 important. This do not produce spore. Now how to reproduce? Now how to multiply? Because of that is presence division by the simple type of reproduction, like that the binary fission. Clear? Second, the cell structure and structures of the mycoplasma. C. The structure of the mycoplasma, in which two main things are to be understood. Just first is a ribosome, and second is the DNA. Means that in which DNA is the long presence in the long chain, and ribosomes are scattered in their cytoplasma, and soluble protein like the soluble protein, and membrane is made up of the lipoprotein, we already know. Okay, that's see in the language. What is the language? See, 300 nm to 800 nm in diameter. What's the cell structure of mycoplasma? 300 nm to the 800 nm in diameter. Okay. Second, triple layered lipoproteinous unit membrane. Triple layered. We already know. 10 nm thick layer membrane कितनी है? 10 nm आपकी क्या रहती है? Thick. RNA and DNA are present, but RNA in presence of the ribosome, in presence in form of the ribosome, we can say that rRNA. Clear? Ribosomes are 14 nm in diameter and 72S or 70 type. I already told about that. Okay, means ribosomes are 70 nm in diameter and 70S or 72 type of the ribosomes. Clear? Low guanine and cytosine contain in DNA. What do you mean by guanine and cytosine? It is the component that are formed to the DNA. There are the four components that form the DNA, like that adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. That's a purine, that's a pyrimidine, that's four types of component are forming a DNA. But in this type of DNA, guanosine, that like that purine type of guanosine, and cytosine, pyrimidine type of cytosine, both are presence in the low content and presence in the low amount. Clear? Next, causes of mycoplasma means that this organism as a causing agent to the animal and plant. Let's see. Mycoplasma hominis, we already discussed on this topic. Mycoplasma hominis mean the pneumonia, inflammation of the genital and endocarditis disease. Means that this mycoplasma hominis are responsible for are this mycoplasma are responsible for infecting uh, animals and produce this type of disease. Okay, let's see. अब आप सब कहोगे सर डिजीज होती क्या है? नहीं, इतना अभी नहीं जाना। अभी मैं आपको फिर बताता हूँ। प्लीरोनिमोनिया होती है आपके लंग डिजीज। इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ जेनेटियल डिजीज कहाँ रहेगी? अपन कहेंगे इन्फ्लेमेशन आपके जो जेनेटियल ऑर्गन है, टेस्टिस की बात करें, सपोज आप ओवरी की बात करें, या मैं टेस्टिस का ना लेते हुए सीधे आपके वेजाइना में जाऊँ, तो इस तरह से आपके इनके अंदर प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो जाए। एंडोकार्टेज एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स के अंदर प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाए, तो दैट्स द causes of the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma pneumoniae cause the pneumonia. That's but normal. Exactly pneumonia caused by the, we know that, Streptococcus pneumoniae. We study in the bacteria. Okay, the mycoplasma pneumonia is the PAP, primary atypical pneumonia, hemorrhagic, and larynx hemorrhagic condition, bleeding condition. Larynx means voice production, voice box infected. Mycoplasma fermentatus and Mycoplasma hominis that provide the infertility in men. Mean that this bacteria are infect to the male, that producing the infertility in a male. Example, otitis media means the inflammation of the middle ear. It's a disease, otitis media in present infect in the middle ear through the this two mycoplasma mycoides pneumonia in the cattle. Okay, mycoplasma bovigentilum, inflammation of the genital in a mammals, sorry, animals. And mycoplasma eclectacia of the sheep and goat. Okay, you said the simple. आपको केवल केवल एग्जांपल्स इज द माइकोप्लाज्मा की स्पीसीज का पता होना चाहिए। क्लियर? That's our disease causing in animal, in animal. But here that mycoplasma is also responsible to producing the infection or disease in the plant. Let's see which type of disease caused by the mycoplasma. Here study only the name of the disease, not to the it's a causing agent like that the mycoplasma. Let's see. Bunsy top of papaya, which says broom of legume, yellow dwarf of the tobacco, stripped disease of the sugarcane. Stripped disease means leaves के अंदर, little leaf of the brinjal, brinjal की leaf छोटी हो जाती है, clover floyd phylloxera उसकी change हो जाती है, and next the big bird of the tomato. Tomato shows the tomatoes to the bird as forming the big structure. That's all are causing. That's all are infections of the mycoplasma plant as well as in animal. Hope so. आपको पूरा ये क्लियर हुआ होगा। अपन ने एग्जैक्टली बात पूरी की है, फिर भी किसी टाइप की कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए, माइक्रोप्लाज्मा को पूरा कवर करने की कोशिश की है, फिर भी कुछ आपको रह गया हो, कुछ आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज कमेंट मी इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स। ओके बाय, टेक केयर, मिलते हैं।